Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful techniques in computational statistics and machine learning, Markov Chain Monte Carlo, or simply MCMC. By the end of this video, you'll understand what MCMC is, why we need it, how it works, and where it's applied in real-world problems. Let's start with a question. Why do we even need MCMC? In statistics and machine learning, we often need to compute probabilities or expectations that are extremely difficult to solve directly. For example, imagine you want to calculate a probability distribution involving dozens of variables. The math quickly becomes too complex for exact solutions. That's where simulation-based methods come in. Instead of solving equations directly, we approximate solutions by generating random samples. And one of the most effective ways to do that is through Markov Chain Monte Carlo. Let's break the name apart. The Markov chain. This means that each new sample depends only on the current one, not on the entire history. It follows the memoryless property of Markov processes, Monte Carlo. This refers to the use of random sampling to estimate solutions to mathematical problems. Together, MCMC gives us a way to sample from complex probability distributions that we cannot sample from directly. Here's the core idea. Start with an initial guess, which is a point in the space of possible values. Use a Markov chain, a set of rules, to propose a new point. Decide whether to accept or reject this new point based on probabilities. Repeat the process many times. Over time, the chain of accepted samples will start to resemble the actual probability distribution we want to approximate. There are several algorithms for implementing MCMC. The most common ones are Metropolis-Hastings algorithm. This is the foundation of MCMC. It proposes new samples and uses an acceptance rule to ensure we explore the distribution correctly. Gibbs sampling, a special case where each variable is sampled conditionally on the others. It's especially useful for Bayesian statistics. More advanced versions include Hamiltonian Monte Carlo and slice sampling, which improve efficiency. So, why do researchers and data scientists love MCMC? Because it allows us to explore high-dimensional probability distributions, perform Bayesian inference when exact solutions are impossible, and estimate quantities that are otherwise intractable. MCMC is used across many fields, in Bayesian statistics to estimate parameters of models, in machine learning for probabilistic modeling, in computational biology for modeling gene networks, in physics for simulating particle systems, in economics and finance for risk modeling and decision-making. While MCMC is powerful, it's not magic. We need to carefully check. Convergence. Has the chain explored enough of the distribution? Mixing? Is it moving efficiently through the space? Computation? Sometimes it can take a very long time to run. That's why researchers are always working on more efficient sampling methods. To sum up, Markov Chain Monte Carlo is a family of algorithms that let us approximate complex probability distributions using random sampling. It's a cornerstone of modern computational statistics and Bayesian inference. If you want to dive deeper, I recommend exploring Metropolis-Hastings and Gibbs sampling with some hands-on coding experiments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you a clear understanding of what MCMC is and why it matters.